Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to hide your followers and following list on Instagram so that your friends or anyone else can't see who follow or who follows you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Instagram application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Once this step is done, simply tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you are here, tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to access the settings and activity. Now here is one thing that I would like to mention, that Instagram doesn't give you a direct way to hide your followers and following lists as of right now, but here are some of the best working methods that you can try to get the close result. So once you are here in your settings and activity, you need to just simply scroll down, then tap on the option of account privacy. Over here, the first option would be of private account. So you need to tap on this toggle button in order to turn it on. This way your Instagram account will become private and only your followers can see your followings and your followers list. Now the people will have to request you to follow you and only then they will be able to view both of these lists. Now, the second thing that you can do is you can simply just come back here on your profile page. Over here, you can just simply remove any unwanted followers. So when you tap on the option of followers list, you will see all of the followers list over here. So you can tap on the remove option right next to their profile and you can remove them. If you don't want them to be your follower, they will no longer be able to see your content or follow your data this way. You can also restrict someone's account. For that, you can just simply open the profile page of that particular username to whom you want to basically restrict. Then tap on these three lines here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the option of restrict. So once you do this, you will be shown this type of pop-up in the bottom that this particular profile is restricted. They won't know that they have been restricted and they will have limited visibility and interactions with your profile. You can also hide your activity status if you want, if you don't want anyone to see your online status. For that, you need to come back here on your profile page, then tap on these three lines here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to use the search bar and search for messages and story replies. Inside it, the option that you need to look for is show activity status. Once you tap on it, you will find it the toggle button right next to it. So you need to basically turn it off, and this way no one can see when you are online. This makes your profile even more private. Now, as I've told you earlier, that Instagram doesn't allow you to hide your followers or your following count from the people who already follow you. But by making your account private and restricting access, you can control who sees what. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, comment if you need further help with any of the Instagram settings. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.